Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Tofu for babies. When and how to introduce. Once your baby starts the transition from breast milk to solids, you may start looking for healthy food options like tofu. What is tofu? Tofu is soybean cheese, and it is made by coagulating soybean milk and has high protein content. Tofu has emerged as a superfood for babies and young children because of its many health benefits. Tofu varieties. 1. Firm or hard tofu. This kind of tofu is available in blocks and has a hard texture like meat. It is mostly used in dishes with gravy. 2. Silken or soft tofu. This kind of tofu is softer, smoother, and has a custard-like consistency. It is mostly used in sauces, desserts, smoothies, etc. What are the benefits of tofu for infants? Tofu is loaded with protein, iron, calcium, dietary fiber, and other nutrients. When and how to serve tofu to babies. Wait until your baby is at least 8 months old before giving them tofu. 1. You may cut it into cubes or chunks and give it as a snack. 2. You can crush it in your baby's cereal or porridge. 3. You may blend it in your baby's soup or milk. 4. You may mix it with other vegetables and give it as a meal to your baby. How to buy and store tofu. Tofu can be easily procured from any supermarket, grocery or gourmet store in your locality. You can store the baby-sized servings of tofu in a jar filled with water in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Tofu and fruit smoothie recipe for babies. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 ripe mango, half cup silken tofu. Directions: 1. Add small mango, banana and tofu pieces in a blender and churn them. 2. Feed this smoothie with a spoon to your baby. You can try making other recipes like tofu and tomato soup or cracker-coated tofu fingers for your kid. Sometimes, babies may be allergic to soy and soy products. If your baby is allergic to such products, do not give tofu to your baby.